Jesus. Come and take control. Welcome, welcome, welcome to my cooking live, everybody. This is my desire to Lord, I worship you. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. How are you today? How are you today? Happy Saturday. I hope your day is going well so far. Today I'm about to cook my dinner live. Live, 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 live. Before I do so, I'm just setting up my live stream properly. Thank you for coming. I appreciate you. Can leave a comment. Can say hi and let me know who is watching me. Let's see who is watching, guys. Let's see who is watching. Boy. Disease cause a beautiful. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Alright, so let me use piece of the yam, let me use one of this. And now use this. Not going to use this right now. I use the older tomatoes. Older tomatoes. Hello guys. Welcome to my live. What is happening? Internet. Firefox is not responding. Close the program. No. What is happening? Welcome guys, welcome. This is because you're beautiful. Welcome guys, welcome to my live. Welcome. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome. 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 We are in your presence. Feeling us into the welcome, Holy Spirit. We are in your presence. Fill us with your power. Live inside of you. You're the living water, the ever-flowing fountain, comforter and counselor. Take complete control, control. Lord, I wanna be a witness. You can take what's wrong and make it right. Make it right. Day star shine on me. Let your love shine through me. Lord, I see a world that's dying, haunted by the years of God's free, groping in the darkness, haunted by the years of God's defeat. And then I see you standing near me, shining with compassion in your eyes. In your eyes, day star shine on me. Let your love shine through me. Oh, lead me, Lord, on fire. Anywhere you open up the door, let me know your wisdom. Show me things I've never seen before. What I want to be with us. You can take what's wrong and make it right. You can make it right. Right. No, it's only coming out. There is the shine on me. What do you want? Let your love shine through me. In the night. There is the shine on me. Let your love shine through me. In the night. Leave me, Lord, on fire. Anywhere you open up the door, let me know your wisdom. Show me things I've never seen before. But I want to be a witness. You can take what's wrong and make it right. You can make it right, right. There is still shining on me. Let your love shine through me in the night. Days still showing. KK Queen Wilson, I'm here. Come and get here. Hey Roxy girl, what one? You good? Let's see my girl, me there. I will cook my dinner, so I said me just turn on my life while me do what me do. So get few hours, you know. A Saturday night for you, you know. Gabby supposed to go on vacation, what do I call it now? School closed for Gabby, right? Yes, I'm good. Yeah, man, I hope you know that you're a good man, love. That's all we want to be. You know, put in some iron, you know? Put up some Callaloo, yeah. Callaloo, I don't know one of my favorite dish, but the body needs a little iron. Yeah, I was a bit about eat meat, so. No, in July. Okay. I think of this weekend. Out here supposed to get holiday already. Mommy. Hello, welcome to my live. Welcome. Thank you for coming. Thank you for subscribing. I appreciate you. Are you a content creator? Please give the live a thumbs up for me, guys. Okay, no problem. I'll definitely check you out. Where are you watching me from? I'm streaming from Jamaica, the island in the sun, where you have the beautiful beaches and the beautiful people. Go over to this channel, Marlon Lifestyle TV. Okay, took a screenshot of that. Alright, I take a screenshot, so whenever I get the chance, I'll definitely do that. I don't know, I'm giving a big chunk of color in here for now. I will definitely do that. So Roxy, Mama, yesterday, you good now? Everything live and direct now, Queen. Soon put on the pot, but now start out the Callaloo first. We get in there. Nice. You may wait for you know. Oh, yeah, the next shout. You will be the next shout, my love. And may I come right after you. So go and work on some. I still have about 750 hours. forget. Really I love because you not get to do the life them how they want to do the life them. But I'm not complain. Not complain at all. Me not complain. Me not complain. Me not complain. But Roxy, me not understand all them calculate them thing, you know, because you know say for the month of June we gone over 800 watch hour. When we check my watch hour them for April, May and June, we gone over 2,800, you know. And say they minus the 500 when we lose. We supposed to reach 2,000. I remember say 1,800 me do on. So I don't know how them check them something. I wonder if the playlist, you know, like the hours them want to watch for the playlist. I wonder if it go to the channel but it not go towards the monetization part. I can't say no better because I am seeing the hours there but it not reflecting in the background. It not reflect at all. So I just feel like say soon your time. Yeah, soon my time. I wait on it. Okay, later. Alright. Mommy, put out the work. Nothing happened before time. True. But I don't understand how them calculate it. So I look like all of the hours then where like when I watch a playlist, me get it, but it don't go towards the real monetization. It just there on the channel. I can't say no better because I am seeing it. I've gone over 800 watch hour for this month already. But it's not reflecting on my channel, so I don't know. And that part of it. I don't know what happened. What color that is nice, and the chocolate so big. I mean, I hide it. When I hide it in the middle. Yeah, I don't understand. I don't understand at all. I've gone over 2,000. When I check up how much more go for you have to go in a March. I remember some other have some time in a March. When I go in a March no at all. I go because March we get demonetized. April we make 900 and add. May we make 900 and add. Or 850 something. And I gone 800 and add already. How much that? That I passed 1,800 a long time. I passed 1,800 a long time. So I don't know how them check them thing. Let's have a put in the work until you see it. Hi Vibrant Style, what's up? Happy Saturday. Everyone, blessing, KK. Thumbs up on. What I go on there, me there here in my kitchen, I go on. I'm about to cook my dinner. I say, last night we have all night prayer meeting. Jesus, he come and say me can't wake. He come and say we can't wake. From morning, yes, I watch 2 of video them Vibrant. I couldn't go the third one. Sleep would have killed me. I have to struggle to stay up. To finish the last one. And the last one I think it was 23 minutes or something like that. And I said, I check out Vibrant because I'm going to check her out from with you. And I start to watch the first one. First one with the fish. Watch the one the good and alright. And when I reach about about 15 minutes in the other one, I think that 23 minutes. I have to force myself to stay up in a for the video make the video run to its entirety. Sleep or kill me, I know I feel Josie. Thanks for the support. Always, yes, I see you watching. Yes. Listen, for when you not get to come over. So I don't know when I go up on the channel, go check something and when I look to see a pop up. I say, myself, I don't watch Vibrant Style. Oh, I go look too to see if DS did come. I look to see if DS did come live. But I never see him. And I see a pop up and I say, go watch you. And then I go back to sleep. Jump back to sleep. You couldn't even watch the third video. I think I 3 video you have when I watch. When I see so far. And I watch 2. I still have 1 more to watch. Girl, look that easy. Years me not do this, you know. Years. Can you imagine you wake up at 6 o'clock yesterday morning and I go back to sleep till 6 o'clock this morning? A whole 24 hours that, you know. No, I don't see any life today from years. Today I was checking. Yeah, me wake up and me check to see if he come and when I see him. And me look. When I see him and then I see a video then and I say, watch 2 video then because I'm not going for your channel from what's the last week or something like that. Professor me was saying him go him have to try to get in the videos them, you know, before the summer out, so probably he would have gone do something. Or you just not feel like coming. Because sometimes, and everybody will be live streaming, you know, what are you cooking for dinner? So, now I cook some callaloo. And I'm going to put a little pop char in there. And sardine. You ever eat that before? Whoa. Hey, Pot Love. How you doing, sweetie? How you doing, Queen? Good evening, host and chat. Like done. Yes, thank you. Where you going with? Your internet come up back? Nice. I eat sardine separate. Oh, you eat it separate? But I first never cook it. I forgot to forget saltfish. Mama said, sometimes I have to just mix up the thing, yeah? If you can't eat separate, you can't eat anyway. That's how it stays. Sometimes we just mix the things then. We just mix them up and go and cook them how we want to cook them. Never get to pick up on a saltfish. And my husband I like the sauce of Callaloo like that. You want something like it. Vibrant say, Pat, how are you feeling now? Pat, supposed to get over it, man. Hi. I'm great. Yeah, Pat supposed to get over it. Pat a strong Jamaican, man. You see her? Flew down kick. Nah, knock her down so long. Cause she look like she love fight, so she will fight it back. She take the bull by the arm. No, not yet. Flo is working on it. Okay, good. Me see you put out. So you have one in there. Me see it for Charles too. You see it for Charles community. So Pat's having internet issue. What I'm gonna tell you, Pat. I'm going to on a roll in, girl. Because even when we go live a while ago in a part, when we go live a while ago, I say, what time? After 5, I say, my Pat's supposed to live. But that me I say, you know. But the date is up and data is up and down, not allowing the live stream. Yeah, so it's there. I same thing happened to me. Me have on Flo. Me say me need to call Flo because I don't understand what is happening. Oh Flo. Me at 3,500 every month. Every month me have to pay. Me have to buy 3,500 credit to put on service. And once me come out of the Wi-Fi, the service not working. How can that be? How can that be? That makes sense? That don't make no sense. I not get no data use. I said I go call them because I don't understand. I can't use my phone outside of the Wi-Fi. Then what sense me I have data? What is the sense I'm going to have data? Why never have data if you can't use it from the road? So that is the reason why we buy the data, to use it from the road. That is the reason why I buy the data, to use from the road. Because I have data, everywhere I go, I have Wi-Fi, I have Wi-Fi at home, I have Wi-Fi at work, I have Wi-Fi which comes stay. So the only reason why I have data is because when I'm on the road, I can use my phone still and to make the free call. So I don't pay to make calls. Every month, I have to put on credit for 3,500. What sense that make? Now put some now wash the Callaloo then. I have the other one. Floor gives too much trouble. I needed to change it. I did this we have at home and work and at work I have both floor and digital. But say Yada Road, I know someone complain about the same thing. I have Yada Road. Purely ask, welcome. Hey, I'm watching. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Yeah. My internet bill is 5,600. Sometimes it's more. I really drop the bill for the month. Oh, a two bill me, 27 bill me, have you know, because I have one on the spare. And I have one. One at home here, so is it's some salt in the water. The one I have at home here are just the internet, so that is like 7,500. That is like 7,500. The one I have, one is there. The one there, I have the internet and the cable. So the one there, and 9,000 at. So it's about 18,000 I pay for the internet. You mean my personal internet? Not about work. 18,000. And then now, you have to buy credit now, 3,500 credit every month. Every month. So you know, say, on a monthly basis, may I pay like 20,000 a month for internet. And you still can't compatible. That makes sense? That makes no sense. Children. Okay. Wow, that's a lot. Yeah. I'm here for coming job here. Yes. You're just a hot. You're just a work, you know? You're just a working. You're doing the do. You're just a doing the do. So as I go when they can do things, you know. Can you see? If you couldn't do that, you have to pay some money to live for your account. I can't say how much $1,000. How much 100 per pound? What per pound? But when you convert it away from money in Jamaican. So when you can look for something to yourself. We call them Callaloo and stuff like that. Fix everything. Just a lot of coffee. Please. Yes, Callaloo. The phone's stuck on me. What is this? Okay, Roxy, give her a hug for me, say Pat. I buy the Callaloo that is already cut up. Me can't bother. Yeah, we do that. We do that sometime, but I never get to go in a Spanish Town. I was actually on my way to Spanish Town. And the traffic is so much. The traffic is so much. Me just take me a little time. And I said, babe, see if I can find a turn back there. And I just spin right back around. Yeah, man, I said, I'm tired, I'm beat out. Because we say we got all night prayer meeting, so I'm coming 6 o'clock this morning. So my body mash right out. Body mash right out, so you can't afford. We never get to go in the town to get the cut up one. So that's why I have to struggle to cut them up now. And my little sister always I say to me, say, girl, Your wife, she love that chocolate. Your wife, cut up this up with them. I prefer to cut up my old Callaloo. Yeah. Me not prefer to cut it up at all. Me not prefer to cut it up. And me not prefer to cut it up. I prefer to buy it cut up. But sometimes when you buy it cut up, them when you buy it cut up, them give some big old chunk in it. And I love to cut, like the chunk them, I love to cut them in smaller pieces. You understand? I prefer to cut them up in smaller pieces. Well, this took up a lot of time. I start to time up at already. Because I said, now put the whole line. So I don't know if I will put the whole line right now either. Because I have a meeting, I have a 8 o'clock meeting. Oh, guys, I'm going to pin the church. I'm going to pin my church channel, and I beg them to subscribe to it for me. Please, I need to reach 50. I'm at 33. Please, by next weekend. Next weekend I'll have crusade, and I want to stream the crusade. I'm going to have to reach 50. Plus, me have to, you have to give them time to check it out and so. So, it is already in the chat, but I'm going to pin it, I'm going to use it and type in the group. Please subscribe to it for me. Yeah, please. I love your cooking videos. Thank you. Guys, we're gonna put it in now. They're so sweet. I'm gonna type with it right now. Blessed evening, lovely people. Alright, see there guys, Spanish Town 4 Square. Please, I'm going to pin it. Pin message. Please subscribe to it for me if you can. Not going to cost you anything. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. We need to get it up and running. As we start about meeting, so I have meeting and then I will have meeting. So, I am responsible for that part. The part said, blessed evening. Oh, she will put the link. I already saw it. Yes, Pat, Mrs. Say yes, so thank you so much. I'm not even get to respond because upon my laptop now have it. I know I'm not really have my laptop on the road, so I'm gonna get to respond. But there are not many videos on it, so you can watch the shorts. A short is on it with the crusade flyer. You can watch it, the shorts, and just subscribe for me. Please and thank you. We need 17 subs to make 50. 17. We don't have a lot of people in the church, and some of them that we have are older folks. Some of them don't really know nothing about them social media thing. So, have to do my little part by asking you guys to assist me. Vibrant, you ever cook callaloo dumpling? Pat, you ever cook callaloo dumpling yet? You ever cook callaloo dumpling? And callaloo dumpling nice, you know. Me I want callaloo dumpling for my channel. My husband, I first my husband had callaloo dumpling. He love it. I say, the callaloo dumpling look like you can eat with butter or no meat. Yes, I cook callaloo dumpling and with coconut milk too. I do pumpkin dumpling. Yes, I think I see that on your channel. Pumpkin dumpling. Callaloo dumpling nice. I love it. And I love caramel dumpling though. And I love caramel dumpling. And I love caramel dumpling. Even callaloo fried dumpling. No, I never do it fried. Cook it. Nice. You know, there's something that we could do, you know. You see, like how we're not supposed to eat the starch so much and then carbohydrate and sometimes I don't know what is what, or sometimes I say this good for you, that good for you. I don't really know what good for me much and what not good for me. So I want to eat to a portion, you know, we don't eat too much or nothing. That I want to try to do. Some people say meat not good. And then them I recommend I blend the callaloo. Yes, I do that too, but I don't have any video on that one. I only have the video with it. So we use the leaf part of the callaloo. But may I tell you say, it tastes just like callaloo and dumpling. You can just have a piece of butter with that. And it's bad like yours. Mm-hmm. We can anything we can run we can put in our flour. We kind of healthy, you know. We call it a healthy version. But me not, cause me not really like cornmeal at all. It tastes good. It tastes so good. Yeah man. Tastes good, it tastes good. 10 people on the live. Thank you guys. Thank you everyone for coming. Please like the live guys. And if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. And please subscribe to the pinned comment for me. You can watch a short and comment on the pinned comment. Please and thank you. Vibrant style of whole heap of things on my yard with a cassava dumpling. So I like cassava dumpling. We used to eat it when we young. When we live at St. Thomas. And somebody did, you know, found me, my stepfather or my mother doing cassava dumpling. I like it. You don't like bami. Yeah, me love bami, but I like the dumpling. I like when you put it in the flour. But I love bami, steam bami. Not fried, steam. Everything for me is steam. You know what it is? Why? I think so this can done now. I think we can done cut up the callaloo now. I said I like them with the over the under the counter here, so you can't find something there to plug to you. And I took up some of the pop chard. I bought this so much. Yes, love. Pat say yes, I love Bobby. Yeah, I love it. You love, well, you love it, Pat. You love it. Um, fried or steam. I connected. Soon use my next account to sub also. Thank you so much, Roxy. Yes, thank you so much, Roxy. Yeah, man, I want to reach the 50. Because the problem too I have, because my phone don't have enough space, because I don't get a device from the church. You know, the church is not so up to date yet. So I have to use my phone for the recording, and then my phone don't have the space. My phone don't have the space, so I want to go live. So, you know, I'm not to store nothing in my phone. I love steam. Yes, steam is the best. You know, so I use pop chai and Callaloo make juice. You never use that to make juice, yeah? In coconut milk. Both ways, coconut milk, both ways. Same here. I have to be deleting videos after I finish up editing. And then when I really like discard my video then, like that. Because sometimes the video them can repurpose, you know. And then them say you can delete, you can download the video from YouTube. But then you try it now, you know. You don't tell me say me have to get on YouTube premium. You can do it. You can delete, you can download. Same here. Oh, something. Yes, guys. Alright, so I'm done this now. Right? It's not one heap of color so I don't need no more. Okay, I'm come up and I forgot to buy the first phone back. This good enough, this not good enough. This can do for dinner and breakfast. I told you, you know. 12. I need no more. So whenever you know, I'm going to go and make my flour. I put on the pot. Several people on the live. Thank you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Now some flour. I'm starting to look at the flour. Let me use something. You know what me like to? I like for the chat go on and I'm not gonna say. I use Callaloo in green juice. Yes, me too. Yes, that's what it's saying in my chart. Oh, that's what you get too, yeah? You can tell me something I have to do. I have to have premium. So I'm not put on no premium. So I can't delete. So that is why sometimes I'm not really quick to delete because you know how to more flour than this. just like me put salt in them flour. I add salt too. Them say you have to put salt in there because salt in that pot. The salt in that pot now reach the dumpling. I don't know if it reach anybody else's dumpling, but it not reach my own. I'm going to put out the pot on the fire. I don't like it fresh. No, when it's fresh, anything with fresh not taste good. Anything with fresh don't taste good. You know, if it's over salty, but put little salt in it. Yeah. Some people don't understand, you know, you know why some people food not taste good? Because they not put enough amount of salt. They not put the amount of salt in the pot. You ever smell some people food, and when you smell their food, the food smells so nice. And you say, Jaja, food nice, man, can't wait to get little of the food. And when you get little food, you say, what is? Remember one time, I have this girlfriend and move her yard. She not Jamaican, but I go to her yard and she cook soup. And I say the soup box me, you know. The soup box me. And I say, I go away and she say, no, no leave yet. You don't want some of the soup. And I say, oh, good man. And she say, come here and I cook for you. So I said, when you come here and cook, so I mean you cook. So I said, so you come, so why if you get some of the soup? I said, guys, wait for the food, you know, man. And I said, the way the food tastes good, you know, I said, cha, it's a good look, you know. Yes, guys, now I know that I need my dumpling, you know. And I'm going to see, I make small dumpling, you know, so it's not going to be much. And I don't get them big. You can't make them look roll or something when you see some people. Alright? So you never put cover that. And I say, yeah, we have on the girl food, you know. Vibrant. And the girl share my food, man. The soup rich. The soup very rich. Listen. So when time goes on, I'm digging at the soup. It was disappointing. It was so disappointing. The food is not ready. The food not ready. It smells good. It look good. But it not taste good. Not taste good at all. It was so insipid, the soup. They are Jamaicans, you know what we are talking about. If it's not for Jamaican. The food tastes so insipid. The soup. And you know, say all the soup want to get to be great is just some salt and little seasoning. all the food want is some salt and little seasoning and it good. But I don't understand them. I mean, if you cook and cook with salt, unless you have pressure, I can understand people who have high blood pressure. Well, you know, so you have to cut down on the salt. And even though you have cut down on the salt, you don't have to use no salt. But what this thing, the salt, yeah. The salt, if how comes what happened to it? It tastes bad, it tastes bad, it tastes bad. It tastes so bad. People don't know that, you know. It's all if you are seasoning your meat, no care how you season the meat. If you don't put the right amount of salt in the meat, it not taste good. You not taste no seasoning in the meat because the salt helps to season the meat. Either salt or sugar. If you put a little sugar in there, when you are seasoning your meat, or you put a little sugar in it, oh God, it sell off. I chew me diabetic, why I'm not really full on the sugar so much. But if you are late to cook some food and you don't have no time, just season up your meat and just put little sugar in it. But then I just connected with you on love all them herbs and seasoning and season blend, real authentic. Yeah man, she do some real stuff pot. And our backyard full of all sorts of something. Thanks my friend Pat. You're welcome. So you told her. No, you're mad. I'm going to tell her that. I'm going to tell her girls they are super yes. But I have to drink it. Me drink it. Me have to drink it because no one should feel now, yeah. But why? No, sir. I need to plan some more stuff. To be honest, me never have this so bored to tell her, yeah, I've been laughing. They were so bored to tell her, girl. Because somebody said, and I said, girl, and what is your cook? What is your cook? I get some okra. You know, say, once me I deal with them thing of okra for night, you know. I love okra, you know. Okra. I love okra like when I love fish. When I love fish more. Kenny, you don't see me on the live. No, sis, me just see her. Rev the sister, wagwan. A nice clean sister, my heartbeat. Pat, see my heartbeat there, see my heart there. My heart right there, so in the chat. Sasha Gay, that's my real blood sister. She's my heart. I will try the sugar in the meat. You ever try sugar in the rice? Yeah, you mean? I'm saying I'll do it again still, but yeah. I do that. And I went and had brown stew anything. Or brown anything, you use the sugar. I say anytime you use the sugar in anything. See what I'm going to work today? Anytime you use sugar in anything. Like that. Brown sugar, it's nice. You just want to make sure say you can manage the pot say not burn. Because once it burn, you know, see a problem, you know. Money for doys and the life. Whoa, my whole family come out. My whole family come out. So 2 heartbeat me have fire and not just one. No, they have to. Okay, nice. I used to add white rum in the curry. Yes, I can do that too. Welcome, Sasha. On. Yes, I'm an art. And there, the panda, look at them watch and see. I see a device now watch them. My little brother and my little sister. Yes, I'm an art. Them there, you know. I'm going to use some older tomatoes. Yeah, man. So money, well then they yard, sister, you there, they yard. 3 device. Oh, you beat. I would say support. I would say support. It's why you have to love, you know? That's why you have to love, you know? I tell you. I know that. Now, I like me attack. I don't know. You know what I say. My sister have to love me because I never try to fear. Ever I try fear. I say me I try get to a wedding every junior, you know, one sour sap. But if I'm like say true, me not run about the sour sap, then I drop off. You know, override. Let's say, case. Where's the part? I mean, if you come up half a tree today, you know, I mean, I say, if you come up half a tree, I go around carry my niece or my nephew or something for him done. But I never, I got all night prayer meeting last night, the body mash up. We start back up on the road and we just turn back. I tell you, turn back. I can't manage this. Body tired, girl mash up. Where you say Pat? It's a KK. 11. Guys, please like up the live, please. Yeah, man, I cook. Alright, this up on So the girl, so this now wash. So stay right so. What do you want now? Onion. And sweet pepper. But if you're still there, guess what I cook for dinner tomorrow? If you're still there, so. Sweet pepper. This is a small one. And this is a tiny one, it's not scary. KK is the way it's supposed I'm talking about. Oh! Yes. Yeah, man, same way too. Alright, what else you want? Onion now. Where is the onion? Guys, me careful on the onion now. I love scallion like that, you know, I love scallion like that. I love scallion like that, I love no onion. So what I say? Fish, I wish, soup pot, they ever scream out in there, soup. We just fry the onion because I never come by here for ask you if you never see me. Now my vlog, I have onion, I buy onion, so we know onion do. Soup, I cook again, the dinner part. Because I have to go to the meeting. Me I forgot I forgot what you call it, end the live for 8 o'clock for the meeting because I the same phone. And then look when I go come back when I pray. Okay, the favor soup you do all me love. Why Pat me I tell her me not cook it next, me not cook Sunday I come again though. Some me don't know, you can someone must tell Kevin say something in his soup. Me don't understand how he just a request soup, so. No man. He said when he drink this soup his body feels so good. Now when he fit eat, and then Chima fit eat the rice and peas in the week. You know when you go to work and so I must say this soup. When you drink the soup, you feel so good. He said, alright, master. Alright, so get something you know. Water boil up now. Let's go clean it. I'm going to put on one gloves. I'm going to cook this sweet potato here. I forgot to cook the soup earlier morning because I'm just get up right now in the kitchen, come in the kitchen live tomorrow morning because guess what? I have function at church again tomorrow night. I want different church. All the churches then I come together. So you know say then I go there in the evening. The struggle is real. That's what you say. Close. 50 years of sleep what you do. You know, honest. No, this stay on your arm. You know what? Stay on your arm. Taller. Why am I not telling my mom? So on the day I'm on a road, I do. So you're going to look for Doy. You're going to look for your father. If you're still there for the life. I told me you live so far when you get there, if you can't come look for me. You're not for plan to come look for me. You're not going to look for me one weekend. Oh, you cope with eat. Yeah, tell her. And the sardines. Vibrant, me not cope. I'm not coping at all. Right now, I last week I put in one wedding day. Hey, that's the next thing. Last week I put in one AC, one next AC in the house. And right now, I still a sweat. I still a sweat because they say the AC can't come in the kitchen. So it's in my living room. Sweat will kill me. Right now the fan on and the house heat. This feeling, yeah? I'm going bad. I'm going good. Which part I'm staying at town? Right now the people they must say, oh, me have money. I can't sleep at night time. I too fan me have for me and I can't sleep. Too fan. I have. And I can't sleep at night time. I have to bed exactly when I go on my bed. Else I can't get a good sleep. And if I go wake up in the night, dog eat my supper. because I can't go back to sleep. When we wake up, every sheet gone off by bed, the way me did there, kiss and not turn and I'm gone. Terrible, man. Terrible. Terrible. It's not nice. It's not pretty. Really, but Mandeville. Yeah, Mandeville cool, but everywhere hot right now. So if Mandeville hot, you can just imagine Kingston and St. Andrew and the other parishes there. Because Mandeville is known to be cool. Cool Mandeville, I say name, you know. And if Potter ball, if Mandeville people are ball, they can just imagine the other parishes them. Not really, it's hot. Yeah? Yes, hot. Imagine the cold England, well hot. Yeah? And then, in the Misha like them I said, they don't have AC. Because through the place is always known to be cold, there was no need for AC. So it's like they might burn up. Where are you? Spanish, yeah, Spanish Town. In the fire now, yeah. So we hear rocks on the massive. And then can't really see like me. Alright, so I'm going to put one piece of yam and a piece of the soup. Sasha them gone. I hear on Sasha. If I'm telling you, say, I'm going to pack up and call up me one day. I hear on. I'm gone. Me they too far from one, and then that town and they can run on one another yard. Me they too far. So me not get visit. A planned visit alone me can get. I am talking there. Okay. A planned visit alone me get. Come there bush. I am at the bush. Alright, so we make this the yam and sweet potato and something. So I put it in the first and then I put in the dumpling. Now I put my Irish. That's not put in. Trying to run out of now. No. My dumpling, I make little dumpling. And this kind of little things. My dumpling then, the size then you look up. Remember to thumbs up, guys. Yes, guys, we're going to thumbs up the live. Like up the live. The place just get cool down now, guys. Eh? That's nice. A 2 evening come now, Pat. They're still hot. My hot same way. In our kitchen, I have the AC up there, so I use the fan and turn it down in our kitchen, but I'm still hot. And then we have black toast, so probably. That'll help draw the heat on me. Hey, whenever I make when I reach down to the last where you can make all 3 dumplings, you just use it and make 2 big dumplings like this. Whenever I do that, or sometimes when you make the roly-poly you put in the stew peas, you just make 2 big dumplings in the field. Yes, I need this. Alright, so we're done with that. I still want banana, they can't chew out the door. So I want banana. So we're going to leave this now for a while. I'm going to put it on low because it's still very high. Hopefully it not boil over. Alright, so we are going to go back over this one. Now come guys. Laptop, huh? Come on. Come in, guys. Whew. How did you say internet now going too good, man? I know. Did you say internet now going too good? Alright, so now we'll go back to cutting up the vegetable, then we'll put on the could get rid of them after crushing them first. So we're not need this again, we're not need them. Sometimes I crush them and chip them, that's what I'm going to first. Sometimes I put the garlic in the food, make it brown. And then the garlic is good, so sometimes I just crush them and just drop them in my pot. Just drop them in my pot with skin and everybody. Just drop them in my pot like this. go back family, cutting up of the vegetables. And then we put our callaloo. You know, callaloo not really take long to cook. Alright, so we go and cut up now. Let me just say, the breeze yesterday blow down my planting. Lucky I can do press planting and forage. Oh really? You'd have every breeze you're there. KK, you don't bring them. Go college and get degree. No sir. Whoa, you did that college. Yeah, I like how she does it. So nice. Roll and press. Right there, so. OMG there. I love my press planting body. Love it too. Sure. The chatter runway yesterday. So windy. I don't know why I'm to the phone here. It now fly up the chat. So when we get here, I look on it and things in nobody now talk. It chatter go on and I now see it. Yes, we got there, they got go college. They go college. So one I think I love onion. I love onion, you know who else love onion? I love onion bad. I love it cook and I love it raw. I'm gonna cut up my onion, I chunk it. And I slice it up and chunk it. To me, when you chunk it, it's nicer because one, you don't get to cook all the way through. You understand? You kind of get a little crunch. You get more crunch out of it when you chunk it than when you cut it up. When you slice it up. Roxanne still there. You know, don't you, Roxy? I eat raw onions too. Especially I like it in what do you call it? Corned beef. Yes, we done. Okay. Nice. So breads you know, is breads or regular quinoa. Me not even get to see Misha finished product. What you do with it? Me see up to when you reach up in the top, but me never see the last one. The finish something. I mean I soon go live from that. Guys, thumbs up the like, please. Thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed to the pinned comment, please. Normal Kano. Okay. It's nice. I love. What is it? It's nice. I live to blackberries. Oh, you love when they do run. Guys, I have my glasses also. And I see so 100. And I see so 100. I see that. Okay. Let's close to this. Tomato nice too. You eat tomato and salt. Who else does that? Tomato and salt. Cucumber and salt. Mango and salt. Alright. We're done now, you know. So we can get the ball rolling. Can get the ball rolling. Rolling. Get the ball rolling. It's too small. Alright, so now go put out on the ball in this. It's not the question. I'm just going to do this. That's the right. So now what about the sardine? When you not eat sardine, I want to do it, you know. When you eat the run something in it, you chew off the oil. When you drink the oil, I want to eat sardine in water. I don't like sardine in the water, I love sardine in the oil. Sometimes I take out the something, sometimes I take it out, sometimes I don't take it out. Or something here. See this? Like a lizard tail. And sometimes they're full of egg. When you eat the egg, when you eat the sardine egg, two sardine now look off from. You know, if you never eat sardine and Callaloo yet. And KK invention is. The invention here is KK invention. Invention is KK's invention. So we are going to make the saltfish. We are going to make the the sardine. Keep on as a saltfish. The sardine, see there? Where it is so. Alright, back. Like the sardine raw, but them sardine are from where they are not taste good. So I'm not going to eat it. I'm going to use a big pot here. And guys, you cook slow, you see? Cook very slow. You don't cook fast like Kevin. Kevin cook fast. Medium. I'll bring on up on the pot now. Right there, so. That's what I said I chopped. And so much when I talk to my chat, I don't like sardine pots. I buy the one in water. Hold on, move up some more. I am what? Come on, know what make this something then? Why take on half? I don't know why take on half, you know. Cause me not understand it, or it just do as it feel like. But when Pat just come in, I never see she have on blue. You have on blue all along, Pat? Roxy. Others moderator. I don't understand. Let me see who else. Moment with Keisha, sweetie. How are you? Miss Smooth Operator. Mommy went with Keisha. You know, watch her video. She's smooth, you see. Smooth Operator. Let me see which one reach now. The breeze. Yes, I like. She does it so nice. Oh, past this already. Past this already. Past this. I'm connecting with this. Oh, Roxy, yeah, it's nice. I read that already too. Normal cornrow. 1:17 a.m. Soon go bed and sleep. Alright, my love. Thanks for the support always. I love the mango with the salt and Scotch-wine pepper. No, sir, I don't like pepper like that. Mango and crab. We never eat that yet. I am white cake and click. With the blue now. It's soon time for your Bible study. At 8 o'clock me having a Jesus. Hold on the chat. Yeah. Hi. My God. Hold on the chat, hold on. Now put some oil in my pot. Hold on them lovely. Hold on there. Vibrant, thank you. Alright. So now I'm going in with all of my seasoning then, guys. All of my seasoning. Look, put in the garlic first though. Keisha, big up yourself, my queen. The queen coming out is happening. So guys, you know what, sir? And you can do this two ways. You can do this two ways. You can put in the callaloo first. What is this? This is something you take off right now. You can put in the callaloo first. And then put the seasoning. Or if you want more flavor, you put in this first. Right? You put in this first. And let them saute them. And you know, alright. So now me have everything I move fast now. Now I have some seasoning, some onion. Oh, I have a little onion powder now. I have some Maggi. Just I put something in it, some seasoning. Any seasoning you want to put, it's up to you. But you know them always say callaloo no need no little seasoning. I put my Gaia, of course. I find Gaia so nice. You have to watch it though, because it's having salt. So you have to watch it. It's having salt. Alright, so this good. And then you go going now. You go going with me. Callaloo and pop chard. It look overfull, but you know what I say? Then something here shrink. So, because I eventually shrink. I would never tell them to 7 o'clock. But we can please when it 7 finish it finish anything. Now I'm going to turn on the stove because I don't really want it burn up, I want to stick on. Simmer. Alright, so now I'll put a little piece of butter on top of that. I add the butter. And buy the not the grocery butter, the other type of butter, but Kevin said not like it, so I'm gonna put some on this stomach. Guys, if you're there and you're not yet subscribed to the Queen is my church. I'm just asking you to give me a subscribe. Not too much butter, because you know I don't really like the oil. I don't like too much grease for a long time. I'm just going to cover it. I can't find the right cover for it right now, so I work with that. And the food in here, so I want rain in there, so I'm just can check the comment then now. Because everything is simmer. And put like this. And you see, when the simmer don't move around, look, still like this. Alright, so I say I know. 8 people on the live. Thank you guys. It's soon time for your Bible study. I take off the oil. I buy the one in water. Not like the one in the water. Don't like sardines a pot. Vibrant I love. Sardine with mayonnaise, nice. And a lot of pepper. Yes. But it's something just run really for me and a while ago. Don't connect it. Thank you, Roxanne. Pot. Yes, I have the all-purpose in Gaia. Nice. Nice pot. Boom. Boom. Did somebody say boom? Boom is in the chat. Hey, boom family, KK. What a one, me say. Vibrant style just mash up my head. Because me have a 8 o'clock meeting. And me a go on like say, me cute in the kitchen. Boom, blessing, vibrant style. Keisha touch, she said, click, chick feet. Oh, she's touch. Chicken feet. Then you say that they buy my something too. Because I look on YouTube and most of that them I say chicken feet. You say a chicken foot. We are Jamaican, you know, say chicken foot. But you want, if anything, we get the click. We want, if anything, we get the click. So that's why we don't talk about chicken feet. But our chicken feet, mostly you see on YouTube. If you search, a chicken feet, they want to say. So yeah, so the chicken feet, because you want to search to find you before the lady said chicken foot. I say chicken toe. Vibrant laugh. Don't connect it. Thanks, Roxy. Pot. Yes, I have all. Oh, I see that already. I told me to go look for boom. Keisha, blessing. Food bad. Keisha. Boom, big up yourself, Roxy. I am over now. And go be. Alright, Roxy, big up yourself. Roxy, moment with Keisha. Okay, Roxy, on. Have a blessed night. Boat soon land. Thank you. Me know Pat love people eating, but me now I can't eat when this done. I forgot run on straight pan the meeting. I am getting hungry. Yeah, me telling you, say me take long for cooking. Me take long for cook. Me don't know. Me in the kitchen. Me don't know. A joke me come for run in the kitchen. Me don't know. Me always take time to do things. I guess sometimes because people, because some people start cook the two pot them one time. They start cook the two pot them one time. So it will give them time. But like me, through me that cut up the callaloo, that take time to cut up the callaloo. Should have a deeper pot, but I don't have none right now. I know I forgot time though. I open that cupboard somewhere. You know, so callaloo don't need much. Don't it? You see it start shrinking already. You are the reason. When you cook with the coconut oil, man, you make your food smell nice and taste nice. If I were in a hunter, you should have some songs. Don't worry. So, everything for KK a rush. So, get calm down and sort out things nice. You're back. Good night. Good night. I soon go to bed too. Yes, sweetie, no problem. You have to go to church early in the morning. Only weekend I can stay up this late. Yes, Roxanne, because you have to go work early in the morning time, so. But I thank you for coming on the live. I thank you. Thank you so much. Whoa. As I said, when I finish the live, I'm not going soon about what I go. Just to watch over when I prep for dinner. In the morning, I'm going to run back the live again. I'm going to turn on back the live. And I run for dinner, I'm going to turn on back the live. So if you don't wake up to use the bathroom and see KK, just come give her one thumbs up and 2 hearts and go back on the bed. Why? Yes. And then now tomorrow morning now, when I wake up and I cook, I go turn on the live again. But the one day I'm not going to talking. You understand? The one tomorrow, I not go in the morning, I not go in and out talking. The live just a go run. And I see me walk up and down and do what I do. Probably the mic would have opened, I'm not sure. Turn up at the stove so I can easily shrink down. And now I got my church tomorrow. I'm going to visit my family church. In case what I'm going to now. Never say the taste of pot, guys. Lord, it's fresh. Fresh bad and the callaloo taste tough. Okay, I have to go put it for water now. Callaloo tastes tough. Not tastes good. So you know you have to go dark tight. When you see it taste so, you have to go dark tight for yourself. Right? So you put some more chicken seasoning in there, because you have to go start look your own flavor, you know. Because it now give the flavor where you want, you have to look it. So you have to make your own flavor, you know, depend on it. You give the flavor, right? So you go on. When life give you lime, you make lemonade. So that's a go on, you know, the callaloo. I don't really like callaloo, you know, but it's not so hot right now. So some black pepper may I put in it. Right? And I'm going to put some water in it. But you know what you can do? You just scoop up some of the water here out of your pot and pour in it. Just scoop up some of the water because it's tough. So what it say? Because it's tough, it now spring it to the water. That is it. You understand? Because it's tough, it now spring it to the water. So you have to know what to do to fix it. Because we're not eating a taste bad food around here. No taste bad food we're not eat. So you have to fix it how you want it. All one noodle you could have put in this. But now go so far today. You see it? So I'm getting local water because you put in the water. So you need the water to cook the tough callaloo. Yes, man. Yes, man. And then now what you do? You just turn on back your stove. Make the water there. You want to simmer down with it. Turn them back your stove. You don't dry up the water too much. You now go put in the sardine. You now put in the sardine until it cook. You know the sardine now go take too long. Oh, but I'm going to put the pepper in it. And Kevin loving pepper. Food soon ready. Yeah, food soon ready. Silent live. You're welcome, my friend. Yeah, silent live. It's gonna be. But me I go, what you call it? Movements are going at it, so it's not still, it's just silent. Not still. Mm-hmm. So yes guys, I'm going 36. I'm going 36. So I'm going to get 3 subscribers. Thank you so much on the channel. Vibrant Style and Roxy. 2 are Roxy then. Yeah, thank you now. Yeah man, me see it. Thank you for the subscription. Really support. Thank you. This girl something I must cook you now. Yeah man. Sweet potato cook. It's going to turn off. That long. See the goat land. Let's see the goat land. Got to go, my friend. Blessing everyone. Keep safe. Yes, Vibrant. Big up yourself. Boat land. Got to go now. Bye bye. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. I appreciate you, my love. Hotland anytime. If Hotland in the next 5 minutes. J Brown, what a god. Big up yourself. Long time I not see you. You good? Me there I try run one pot for done in the next 5 minutes. What time now? 17 to. Me have a 8 o'clock meeting. So I want to finish. What a go on, J Brown, you good? I want to finish by. They are steam some callaloo and dumpling. Yes, I do this. Take out this. You're done your time. The time done its time. So it can come out now. You see it? It look much better and subtle. Tough callaloo then give it to eat. But it shall not happen in the KK kitchen when we know how to fix it. No tough callaloo around here. Guys, it smells nice. And it might taste nice too. I'm going to put some more water in it because it's not gravy. Now spring the water for it safe. To give me a little gravy. For me, I don't necessarily need gravy. But take the one gravy. I'm going to put in the sardine up. Jebo never eat sardine callaloo. Callaloo and pop chai with sardine. You ever eat this Jebo? I have no saltfish, so I replace the saltfish with sardine. Yeah, man. Fix it up. You can put a toops of onion in there now. I never put no pepper in there, I cut on pepper. And cut on pepper and put in there. Alright, so I put this pepper in there. Butter the sandwich. Pepper them hot now. Pepper them hot. Yeah man, this look good. Sardine. So the sardine will simmer you now. Right. The pan pot, so pot look good, yeah? That's how pot to look, yeah? Feel like. You are Jamaican, you know how to turn your hand with fashion. You put the more shape up on it. And we are going to put one more little tip. You can put a little tip of ketchup in it. And you know the ketchup have a little sweet, so you just blend in with the salt and the sweet. And get a nice little flavor. Nice little flavor. 5 minutes and this come off and then top done. And it's on low, guys. You can't just eat food dead and dry, so food for taste good. Whoa, yo! This is what J Brown say. What's on the stove? KK, I just turn off all the lights. We are hot. Yes, I'm good. Thank you for asking. I would love some of your callaloo with nice soft green banana. You know some of the banana? I have yam, J brown and sweet potato. Josie said, Pat, what you are going with? You good? Pat now have no internet, she use her data, so it a chip out and a chip in J brown. It a chip out and a chip in. But she did say she hot. But she said the time I get cool now. So I guess she doing okay. But the internet a chip out and chip in, so probably she not will answer you right now. Yeah man. We'll share set up a table here now for 10 minutes. Say hello, let's oh, God. Walking on the western, I'll call it. Me know she have issues with the bad mind internet. Why? Never share out, Kevin. Except for now, see me. Yeah, J-Brown, so this alone I have yam, sweet potato, and dumpling. Kevin, no want no more than this. I ain't eat enough. So this can turn off now. So the two pot them long. Right? Pot done. Pot done. Give me pepper, low pepper, I love pepper. Yeah, when I serve your plate to look proper too. The plate have to look proper when you serve. You understand? Especially when you give your husband food. The plate have to look presentable. You can't just dash food in a plate and give your partner like that. Sit here. Pot. Vibrant. All our honor. J Brown. Yeah. Food land. Food land. On. Come to your dinner. Where you want to drink? Yes, so Deborah say. No, me want no dumpling, but everything is okay. You don't want a dumpling? So you want yam and sweet potato? Yes, plate look good. Yeah man, plate look good. How you want, babe? To drink?
Give me some water.
Water?
Thank you, Lord.
Yeah, boy, we're going to meet me now, so I forgot in this tree. Because I'm going to use a phone. Callaloo tough is in there, me have to dark tight.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You know where they get a tough Callaloo they come and sell people. Like a done crap. Like, you know when crap are done?
Mm.
Yeah, Obi, big up yourself. Big up. Big up.
Mm.
Yeah, boy. You're not Germany. Say big up. In there, feed a big face, German. Yeah. So, what time it is? J Brown, 7 minutes to. Me have one 8 o'clock meeting where me have to go. Me have to go attend to. So me have to close the live. But me have to come back. Cause you know me dey on watch our hunt. So me have to come back, come prep in the night. And then morning early when me wake up and I cook. Me have to turn on the live too, but that one they are going to be silent. You just have to see movement. But if for any reason you see it live, pop up back, you can give me a thumbs up on them thing they see and we are. Alright? So go and big up yourself. Thanks to everyone who come through. Roxy, Pat, Boom, Keisha, everybody. Vibrant Style. Blessing, man. Blessings to everyone that passed through. Mommy, blessings. Thank you so much. Alright? Me here because food nice. Yeah, food nice. So, we're going to end now, guys. Alright? Thank you. 10 people on the live. Thank you so much. Alright? Now, J Brown, the attach something here on my church link. If you get a chance, give me a subscribe on it now, please. May I try to reach 50. Moment with Keisha. I am in the back. I'm seasoning some chicken for tomorrow. You should have go live. Yes, my love. Me I go come back. Me I go definitely come back later. J Brown know my style. My style always 10 o'clock till all 1 o'clock at night. Me still have to come back and do that. Alright? So blessing, love you sooner, look more. I will do my best. Thank you, Jeron. You know your style. Alright? Cool. Blessing, guys.